What's up, it's Coach Jay Heiler. Let's get a strong core. So this is what we're doing today. We're doing something called the dead bug. And the dead bug, incredible exercise that's gonna challenge your stability in every aspect of your core. No lie, give it a shot. What's happening here, the first thing that you have to understand is you need to keep your low back flat to the mat. Why do we do that? That's the start of what we call a posterior pelvic tilt, where you are driving your back down while sending your pelvic floor towards your face. Anytime that you come out of that placement, you've defeated the point of any core exercise known to man, okay? So that's first, then you do everything you're gonna see. You wanna be close to a wall because you wanna put your hands on that wall. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna flatten out my low back. So again, my core is in a posterior pelvic tilt. My spine and core, posterior pelvic tilt. That's first. So I'm here, my low back is as flat as I can get it because I'm engaging my low back down. From here, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my hands on the wall, flat as I can get them. Now, I'm gonna lift my legs up, keeping my low back nice and flat, and I'm gonna inhale one leg, exhale the other. Just kind of like a dead bug, just kicking around, okay? But what you're doing, you wanna do it nice and slow, and the lower that you get your leg that's extended, the harder this becomes to keep your low back flat to the mat. So beginners, you may only be able to come here. Experts, intermediates, you'll come down here. So beginners, it's like this. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Experts down here. Now notice how I'm pausing. That's for real tough folks to do. The more that you pause, the harder this will become every single time, because again, you're challenging more stability anytime you hold a position, okay? So that's how you do the dead bug. Incredible movement. Just make sure that you never defeat the purpose of keeping your low back flat. The low back comes off of the mat. You're no longer working your core.